Hello everybody, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. I'm so excited that you're here because today we're going to be taking down all the Memorial Day decorations. We're going to do a quick cleaning of the dining room and then we're going to decorate the dining room with beautiful summer decor. I have a beautiful and colorful table runner with lemonades, bumblebees, watermelons, and very beautiful colors. So let's go ahead and start cleaning and then decorating. I'm going to start putting away all the decorations. The way that I put away everything is in bins. I try to categorize everything according to the specific holiday. By that, it's very easy for me to find the bin for next year. Please let me know how you store and organize your decorations when you put them away. For Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Halloween holidays, I have color-coordinated bins. For example, I have green for Christmas and orange for Thanksgiving and Halloween. Now that everything has been put away neatly, I'm going to start cleaning the table, the hutch, and I'm going to clean also the mirror. Please comment below and let me know what theme are you using to decorate for the summer. For my summer decor, I'm using bees, butterflies, and sunflowers as the theme. I'm also using the summer colors, the blues, the greens, and yellow, and also summer fruits. I hope that this video is providing also lots of cleaning motivation. Today, it was raining outside, so I thought it was a perfect day to go ahead and start cleaning and decorating for summer. I'm going to hang a wreath from the mirror, so I'm going to use a command hook to hang the wreath. I made this wreath a few years ago. It was very easy to make. I just put greenery all around the wreath and attached some beautiful roses. For this theme, I went ahead and added a small sign that I had left over from my other wreath project, and I also added miniature bumblebees. Please comment below and let me know what you think about the wreath. And moving on, let's start decorating the hutch. I have a cake tray and I put some fruits that I had for many years that I got at Pier 1 Imports. They were scented, but they're so old that they don't have any more scent. They have limes, cherries, and pears in yellow, green, and red. I'm going to put a candle and a hurricane glass and a little sign, very summery. Next to the cake tray, I'm going to add a rectangular dish that is white and yellow with bumblebee and flowers, and I'm going to put the same fruits, and also I'm going to add strawberries. I'm adding also a yellow watering can that I put some greenery and a sunflower. I added also a small bird nest with 2 birds. In front of the watering can, I put a small sign that says "Welcome to our hive." The sign is from Michael's and the rectangular tray is from Home Goods. The strawberries and the sign that has the card that is on the cake tray, they are from Hobby Lobby. I love the vibrant colors of yellow, red, and green together. Please let me know what you think about the decorations. And now we're going to move to decorate the table. I bought this beautiful table runner at Amazon, and it has very vibrant and summer colors. The table runner has watermelons, apples, hydrangeas, lemonade, and of course, bumblebees. I have a centerpiece that I usually have it on my kitchen table, and I'm going to put it in the dining room table now, and I added some sunflowers to the arrangement. On each side of the centerpiece, I'm going to add 2 tall candlesticks, and these candles are scented. Please comment below and let me know what theme are you going to decorate your tablescape during the summer. I'm going to add the same blue placemats that I used before, but this time I'm going to use my white and red dishes from my spode collection. I love the spode dishes. These are white and red with flower motifs. I have another collection that I have on display on my dining room wall. I'm going to use yellow and white napkins, and I had extra ribbon from my wreath project that has also bumblebees, so I'm going to use that to wrap the napkin. I'm going to add a strawberry to the top of the napkins to bring some red color to the tablescape. I'm going to add now all the silverware. Please comment below and let me know what you think so far about the tablescape. And the last addition to the tablescape is the glasses that they have a strawberry and little flowers. These glasses were from my mother, and I find that they complement beautifully with this tablescape. I had some additional strawberries, so I add them to the centerpiece and also scatter them around the runner. And when I was bringing things to the basement, I found this green vase that I got at Crate and Barrel many years ago, so I decided to add it to the Hutch too. I think it looks great with the decoration. And there you have it, a beautiful summer decoration with bumblebees, sunflowers, and summer fruits. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and also make sure that you watch my porch decoration video that I released yesterday. I have more summer decorations coming up. We will be decorating next the kitchen and also the mantle in the living room. Lots of decoration and cleaning motivation coming your way. So I hope that you enjoyed, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. If you like this video and you enjoyed the cleaning and the decoration, please give a big thumbs up to this video. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time in Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.